Hello and welcome to this video. This video will show you how to install GPU drivers on Windows. The GPU in this example is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti and the operating system is Windows 11. To begin, launch a browser and navigate to the following URL. Select from the drop-down list below to identify the appropriate driver. Choose a product type, in this case, GeForce. Choose a product series, in this example the GeForce 16 series. Choose the product, adjust to the GPU used. Select the operating system. Select Game Ready drivers under Download type. Choose English as the language. Click Search. In this example, the appropriate driver is version 517.48. Click Download. Download the driver by clicking the button below. Wait until the download is finished. When you're finished, go to the Downloads folder and open the file. The next step, extract the GPU driver. Double-click on the driver file. Then, on the extraction part, leave it as is. Click OK. Wait until the extraction is finished. When finished, the installation window will appear like this. A system compatibility check is performed. If an error occurs, one of the causes is an incompatible driver version. Following that, the NVIDIA Software License Agreement. Choose the NVIDIA Graphics driver and the GeForce Experience. Then click Agree and Continue. Following that are the installation options. For convenience, click Express, then click Next. Wait until the installation is finished. When finished, it will appear like this. Click Close. Then, verify the driver installation at the command prompt. Press the Windows key, then type CMD. Press Enter. Type the command NVIDIA-SMI. Press Enter. If the installation was successful, it should look like this, which displays the version of the driver that has been installed. We will continue by explaining about how to install CUDA on Windows. See you then.